My next one focuses on social studies, and since being a social studies teacher as well as a regular ed classroom teacher, I like to try to find lots of resources within social studies, and sometimes it can be difficult to find really good sources. This one is actually created through a school district, and it's pretty good. I like it. They have all, different things. Like this one has maps that we can go to. You can find American history maps, world maps, all sorts of links to different kinds of things here. For, there's map games, historical maps of the US. I like to use it as just a teacher, but teachers can definitely have students get online and, explore, if they wanted to, famous places, and it's divided up by grades. I really like this website. I go here for lots of different really cool things to find, different things. I know I'm being very vague right now. Sorry. Current events, where can kids find reliable sources? However, this may not be as updated, since 2004 year in review. But if it links to like National Geographic Kids, that stays pretty current. There might be, I know there's things and stuff that you can do on there without Time for Kids. I'm not sure if that one's that. Nope, page not found. So there's different things, and it might be a little bit older, but for what I use it for, it works perfectly for what I need. Geography things you can find in Tennessee. There's all sorts of different fun things that can be found on this website. I like it. Of course, I don't strictly use it as, I have many different things, but this is just one resource that I really, really like to use, because most of it is stuff that I can reuse, whether it's from, older times or not. But it is what it is, I suppose. All right.